Hey, how is it going everybody? Tanvir here. I'm back with a new video again. Today we are going to learn about FigJam. What is FigJam, how to use FigJam, and a few more things. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open the Figma application from your desktop, or you can open the Figma in your browser. And then you will see this type of interface, and then click on this new FigJam file here. Once you click on that, then you will see a blank canvas. Here at the bottom, this is the FigJam tool. So before we know about the FigJam tool, let's know about that what is FigJam. FigJam is a whiteboard collaboration tool you and your team can use to brainstorm and organize ideas. And you don't need to have any prior knowledge of design tools to get jamming. So let's see some example what we can create using the FigJam. Here you can see I have created a basic infographic. Suppose you want to create a website, then you might have some ideas in your mind, but you have to organize the ideas somewhere so that you can get clean or sharp visual of the ideas and you can organize the ideas here. And then also we can create a sitemap. This is a website sitemap I have created, but you can create your workflow sitemap or any other presentation sitemap. You might think that it's not easy to do, but trust me, it's super easy to do. I will show you how to create a sitemap here, but before I do that, let's know more about the FigJam tools. So this is the hand tool. We can move our canvas, and this is the select tool, and here this is the marker tool, and then this is the shape tool. Let's use one of it. And here you can see a little arrow icon. Click on it, and here you will see a few more options. You can see different kind of shapes: rectangle, diamond, triangle, and a few more: file, folder, cylinder. Let's use the folder tool option here, and also change its color from here. When you are selecting a shape here, you will see a few options: line style, and the color option, and again the shape tool option. You can change the shape from here, and now we are going to change its color. Yep. And here you can add any text from here, and when you are going to add some text, then you will see a few more options: large or huge. Yeah, let's rename it folder 1. And here this one is the marker tool, and here when you click on this little arrow icon, here you'll see a few more options: the highlighter, the wash type, the eraser, the thin, and the thick icon. By using this one, you can create shapes or lines. Let me show this. Just hold on shift and move and create line here, vertical and horizontal, like this. And next, this is the sticky note tool here, and we can also change its color from here. Let's pick a different one and create a note here. If you want to organize your ideas, you can use the tools from here. It's super easy to do. So let's use the text tool here. Click on it. Now let's create a business analytics chart. Here we go. And now let's create a sitemap. Just for giving you an idea, select this square shape and draw a square here like this. And now you'll see a few options at the top of the shape. Select large. This time select huge. Yes, now it's visible. Type here website and click outside of the box here, and here you will see a few icons. Click on this arrow icon, it will create a new box. Like click on this bottom here. And let me tell you one more thing. Now we have 33% zoom here, but we can see the arrows around this shape. If you want to see the arrows, you have to zoom in and then you will see the arrow again like this. So this is how we can create a sitemap. And now let's see the connector. Connector is basically a connector here like this I'm creating here. Just simply drag your mouse and it will create a connection. So now let's see the other tool. This is a section. Suppose we can add it as a section like this. This is section 1, and now let's create section 2. And here you will see a few options. This is the stamp. Here you can see a few emojis. So let's use this one. Like this, you can use it here. I'm going to use my own logo here. It's too small, simply click it and increase its size. And now here at the last you will see the widget tool. You will see a few options: stickers, templates, widgets, plugins, and more. You can add timer here, add images, links, and also code block. You can create snippets with syntax highlighting. So now let's see a sticker here. Suppose you want to use this pin icon here like this, increase its size. You can add some text here, add some description here, and that's it. And now let's know about a few more things about FigJam. First of all, let's see at the right side, and here you can see the comment option. By using this comment option, you can add any custom comment over any custom element or shape or section so that your friends can see the comment. And next is the copy link option. By copying this link, you can share the link into your group, and this is the share option so that you can share your business ideas to your business partners. This is the profile, and this is me, and here you can see an earphone icon. This is really useful when you are working with your friends. You can start a conversation by clicking this icon. And here at the middle of the canvas, you can see the file name and group. And at the left side, you can see the main menu, the timer, the voting option, and the templates. Now let's have a look at the templates. Here you can see a lot of ready-made templates so that you can quickly complete your work. So let's use one of it. Simply click on this one. So here you can see the template. You can edit it, reorganize it, and here are a lot. So whatever you need, just choose from here and complete your work. It will have a great impact on your working process. And that's all for today. I'll get back to you soon with a new video again. Meanwhile, you guys stay focused and keep learning.